Yeah, hi, this is John from Town and Country Compounding here in Ramsey, New Jersey. Just wanted to talk to you today about a new product that we just sourced and brought in. It's called Hyalife, and it's actually hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is, basically it retains moisture in the body, so it has a lot of different usages. It is available as a commercial product. It's called Synvisc or Hyalgan, which actually is an injection. And people with bad knees, for example, there's not enough lubrication in the joint. So what happens is they can inject that into the knee joint and it's used that way. The problem with this has always been that it's very hard to absorb orally. That's why you see it in a lot of commercial products topically for like the skin. But what we're doing with it, this company, is because they've actually figured a way to make the molecules small enough so that it's absorbed. So typically in the past it had to be injected. Now, because the Hyalife, this particular form of hyaluronic acid, and their particular production process, we can actually take it orally. You got to think of hyaluronic acid, it's kind of like the sponge. So, like in your skin, for example, if somebody was to just inject, water under the skin, it wouldn't really do anything. But why it works cosmetically, and a lot of women like it, is because it does help plump that skin as we age. Because as we age, we all lose hyaluronic acid. So you think of this as like the matrix that holds the water in the body. Think of it as like Jello, or think of it as like a sponge. So if you put, in your cheeks, if you put a sponge in there and then you injected the water, it would retain it. So that's what the hyaluronic acid is doing. It's been tested in Japan where they've used it a lot. And it has a lot of, you think of it for anything that is going to be like water problem. So dry eyes, we've gotten much positive feedback from patients that have taken this for their dry eyes. Like I said, joints, it helps lubricate those joints. Again, it helps with just wrinkles, dry skin, wound healing. Like you think, as I said, we lose the hyaluronic acid as we age, so think about the baby and how supple the baby's skin is and how easy baby's skin heals. It's because they have high levels of hyaluronic acid. And it's that hyaluronic acid, again, that's holding that moisture in the skin and the different areas, particularly in the eyes. And again, it's think of it as you're moisturizing from inside out. I know that's what Maria here at the pharmacy always talks to people about. So it's the same as you take a shower and the water's hitting your skin. It's not really doing anything. You're getting clean, sure, but it's not going into your skin and being retained there. But by taking the hyaluronic acid, now the water in the body naturally is retained. So that's why it helps again with the dry eyes, it helps with joints, joint lubrication, helps with skin healing. And obviously for cosmetic purposes, a lot of patients just take it just to help, reduce wrinkles, appearance of wrinkles and things like that. A typical dose is 6 capsules. So you take 3 capsules in the morning, 3 capsules in the evening. You do that just for the first month or so. Basically the first bag, there's 120 capsules here in the bag. After you do that, what we call a loading dose, it's just 3 capsules a day. And Maria's getting very positive feedback from patients. If you'd like more information, you can call us here at Town and Country Compounding, 201-447-2020. Ask to speak to Maria or one of the technicians here. We'll be happy to answer your questions. And again, you can always text questions to that phone number as well. Again, it's 201-447-2020. And we're here from Town and Country, and we always like to try to help you with your health. Thank you.